Okay, good morning. It's April 5, 2012. It's the 2012 team building of Palladium Bowling Center. And right now you will be seeing two groups. And ito yung unang group. Excuse me, pwede po malaman ang team nyo?
Justice Team.
Justice League Team. Oh, sila daw ang Justice League Team. Tingnan po natin ito. Ito yung isang kalaban. Ayan. Ayan. Excuse me. Pwede bang malaman ang team name nyo?
We are the
Avengers. Okay. Mamaya konti magpapasiklaban sila ng cheering squad nila. Okay? We'll get back to you.